Hello and welcome back. Today I'll show you more exciting tutorials. See for yourself. Oh! Wait a minute, I have spent hours crafting this free tutorial just for you. Would you please give me 5 seconds of your time for a quick like and comment? Thank you so much, my dear. To create our video script, we can use ChatGPT, Google Bard, or Nolan AI. However, in this tutorial, we will only try ChatGPT. To create our video script, simply describe the kind of video you want, its topic, target age, number of words, or any other details you'd like to add. Part 2, create audio using AI. If you don't want to use your own voice, you can use this free text-to-speech AI. To use this AI tool, you need to register using your email or Gmail account. After the registration process is complete, go to your AI Tools dashboard and select the AI text dubbing menu. Paste your AI-generated script from Part 1, select the character tone, and click the Audition button to listen to your voice selection. Once everything is okay, click the Confirm button and download your AI voice. Part 3, create animation using Adobe. Now, go to the Animation for YouTube page. To use this free animation tool, you will need an Adobe account. To start creating the animation, click the Make Animations for YouTube button. Select your character in this video. I will use an anime girl character. After that, choose a background, or if you prefer, you can upload your own image or background. Now, select your target platform and video orientation. For the audio, you can either record your own voice directly, make sure to give Adobe website access to your microphone, or use our AI-generated voice from Part 2. Click Choose an audio file to upload your audio. Once Adobe finishes processing our animation video, click the Download button to get our anime video. Here is the video result.
Hey there, YouTube! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of astronomy to answer a burning question.
Thank you for watching. I look forward to your comment or a link. Subscribe to not miss the next tutorial.